Hey, so for today's Tuesday tip, just wanted to talk about beds and bed maintenance. When you're out in the yard and you're thinking about beds and where to put beds and those kind of things, there's some things to take in mind. Take in the shade situation. Why do we want to put a bed there? Is it easier for maintenance? We also want to look at the contours of the bed. Can we use the bed edge along the flower bed to make it easier for maintenance? And once we get those kind of ideas, then we can start laying out the bed. Like in this case, we've got taller shrubs, we've got some shorter shrubs, and then we've got shorter and then even lower, because we want to create the stair-step effect that we've talked about before in laying out our bed. The other is we want to keep in mind maintenance. If you like to work in the yard a lot, then you can have more beds. If you don't like to work in the yard, you need to keep the bed smaller and keep the plant material in mind, because different plants require different maintenance after the initial installation. If you need some help with your beds or for the bed layout or for a bed design, just give us a call and let us know. We'll be more than happy to come out and help you figure out a bed layout and a bed design that works good for your individual situation.